drag strip. I'm going to run the car exactly the same with this old engine and just see how she goes before I rip it out. I'm running the same oil, the same fuel, pretty much doing the best I can to show you guys what happens with an old 265 with triple Webbers on it, and then a new 265 with an E49 cam and triple Webbers. I've never been down the drag strip, so I'm a little bit nervous, to be totally honest. If you have a look at the previous videos, you can see this motor on the dyno. I'll put it in the link down below, and you can follow along. It's got 192 horsepower on a hub dyno that was done down at Edgell Performance, which is just across the motorway here as I'm driving in Auckland, New Zealand. I hope the new tyres work. I'm going to go and lower it down to like 20 psi or something like that, so at least that'll give us enough grip going down there. It's a Friday night. This is cool. I'm meeting my brother down there. It's going to be good. So let's take it for a run down the drag strip and see how fast an old dog of a 265 goes with some flash triple Webbers bolted on the side. Let's go. Car's getting a check over with a whole lot of others. Getting closer. So I've taken all the stuff out of the boot just to get a bit more weight out of it. So that means that I've got to do the same when I test the new engine, because weight, tyres, you know how it goes. I got 20 psi on these back rear tyres. They're the new tyres that you can see in the other videos when I change from the 14-inch to the 17-inch rims. Well, I'm quite nervous. Here I go. My guts are churning, my legs are all shaking. That was so much fun. I kind of muffed it a little bit. I didn't drive that good, but that was good fun. Oh, I got the shakes. Okay, so they gave me this little slip, and it looks to me 15.6. I don't know if that's true. It seems a bit fast. Let's see. But if it is, that's the first ever time down the drag strip. 192 horsepower with triple Webbers, 45s. Wow.
Go to Hemi.
Go to Hemi. That was good, eh? So yeah. What's your tips for your brother?
Flat to the floor, mate. All the way.
Flat to the floor. Yep. Mate, I got the shakes. Woo.
Nervous.
Oh, mate. Yeah, I actually am. Feels good though. Brother Tony reckons got to change from first to second a bit faster, and he smelled a bit of clutch, so maybe drop it a bit more, but I can feel actually my brake. This old engine, she's a good old engine, eh? Bit smoky, but as you know, on the dyno she produced the goods. Unfortunately, my bonnet popped up, and I just saw it in time, otherwise it just would have ripped back, and I just knew it, so it just buttoned right off. So a bit of a shame, but I'm just glad it didn't rip off, especially after that paint job I just did. So yeah, hopefully they'll give me another go. So let's see. Magic gaffer tape, duct tape. So I'm going to put this on the front just in case it lifts up, top up with oil, and I'm going to probably do a longer skid because that's what I learned. The skids really do, they're good, eh?
Good for that, mate.
She'll be hungry for this.
Yeah, that's enough.
Nah. What I'm going to do...
Just drink it all,
Taylor,
Dad.
can you hold that, buddy? Here's my idea.
Take that down.
Balloons in your illuminator.
That felt awesome! I took off and went sideways. Woo! So the tyres gripped up real good, but when I took off, it just like stepped out sideways. But I got that skyline off the line. You guys seriously got to do this. Just if you're talking about getting an old car and whatever your passion is, it could be 4 cylinders, 8 cylinders, rotaries. Just do it, man. You've got one life, and I tell you what, if you live it passionately, you love your wife, you love your kids, you love your work, you love what you're into, life is enjoyable, man. Honestly, live passionately. That's what I know, because oh, this is good fun. This is good fun.
Okay, Mike, let's get in.
Okay, well, it's cool air now. Some very cool, unique cars here. So, all sorts. I think this is probably going to be the final run. Man, that was like quite a lot different. I did like a longer burnout and I really felt the grip. It didn't slip sideways like it did on the third one. So yeah, overall that felt great. I tell you what, for this old engine, remember, look back on the dyno. This is not the engine that I'm trying to keep in the car. I'm gonna head home. I am knackered. I need to sleep. Basically, best run, 15 seconds flat. Awesome for a 265 with 192 horsepower. Off to get a new E49 engine. Thanks for watching the videos. Take it easy.